Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you what to do if the Gmail inbox is not showing all of your emails on PC. This problem might be happening if you have put the important messages first and it appears that your inbox is not showing all of your emails. So this hopefully should be a quick process video. Now without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead to the top right and then click on the gear icon, which is settings, and now just scroll down under inbox type, make sure it's on the default, as you can see, and it is not on important first or unread first. Now, after you check that, you can customize it, as you can see. So sometimes it can be in the important first, but you have to make it on default. So that's how to fix Gmail inbox not showing all of your emails on PC. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.